Alright.
Hello,
Hello.
good morning. Welcome to Filo. Which one is your doubt?
Okay.
Which
I need help with. It's called complete sentences, and you gotta put a word to make a complete sentence. And right now I'm on number 4. Can you help me with that?
okay? Your sentences with the
Yeah. This you gotta
your
complete the
sentence
sentence to
with
make.
the correct. What is that? That word is not visible actually.
Hmm?
The picture which you have sent, it's not complete. In the beginning sentences, I am unable to see the starting sentence. What's there in it? What is the question heading?
I just need that. I thought I was supposed to just screen take a picture of the
Yes, can you please?
sentence.
Yeah, yeah. Can you please send the picture of that again?
That's 4.
No, can you please send the picture of the whole picture
Oh,
again?
4 thing.
It's not clearly visible.
Okay.
Hello? 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 Okay, fourth one is your doubt. Okay, so first one is your doubt from first or from fourth one? Your doubt is first one. This watched the team win. We uh, we watched the football team won. Football team